Hello student, myself Dr. Priyanka Ghosh. In this session, we are going to discuss about the definition of and meaning of strategy. Along with, I will explain what are the different levels of strategy and what is the strategic business decision and its features. So first, let me explain what is the strategy. Strategy, the word, it mainly came from the Greek word stratos. The meaning of this specific word is the lead, means we need to lead something. But the meaning of the strategy, it varies individual to individual or group to group, right? So what is from one group of people, the strategy means it is an action which will help the organization to achieve a specific role. According to another group of people, strategy means it is a general direction or a blueprint which is also helps the organization to achieve the same specific goals. So what is the definition of the strategy? So the definition of the strategy is, according to the Kenneth R. Andrews, strategy means it is a plan, or you can say it is a process which will help the organization to achieve a specific goal, because when we are starting a business, each and every organization will be having a specific goal. So to achieve those specific goal, each and every organization should have the particular plans and process, and that particular plan and process known as a strategy. Strategy also may be defined as a general direction which will help the organization to achieve the goal, and with various different types of components. What are the various features of strategy? Strategy mainly related to a long-term intents, because strategy, when we have started when we are going to start the business, that time only we are deciding our plan, or deciding our strategy. So, but the strategy we cannot change again and again. So it is not a routine basis task. It is a long-term task. Once we have decided, we cannot change it. And it is a general direction which has to flow from top level to the lower level, and all the level in an organization should coordinate with each other to achieve that specific goal. Strategy of an organization should be a dynamic one, because we know that each and every day the economy will change, the technology will change, but according to that changing environment of the economy and the technology, the strategy should be changed. But strategy full you cannot change, just to cope up with the new changes in the technology and to cope up with the new changes in the economy, we need to change our strategy silently. It's not like that the strategy once we had earlier we will change full. It is not possible, but according to the technology it will change and economy will change. We need to change our strategy slightly to cope up with the new challenges. Strategy mainly formulated by the top management, and it will flow down to the medium level and to the lower level, and all the levels will work together to achieve the specific goal. It also helps the organization to allocate the scarce resources, because we know that in our nature the resources are the scarcity of resources we can see, and the strategy will provide the organization, or the strategy will help the organization to allocate those scarce resources in such a way that the company we can use those resources in optimum way, and the cost of production can also be reduced. The importance of strategy: optimum allocation of resources, or you can say the maximum utilization of the resources, provide suitable guidance to achieve the specific goal. Synchronization of various activities, as I told, the strategy has to be decided at the level of top level management, and it will flow down to the medium and lower level, and all the level should act together, should do their work together, and then only the goal can be achieved. Simplifying decision making process. So when you are having the proper strategy, when you know what you want to do, then easily you can take the decision and you can implement your strategy. Helping in achieving the organization goal. So if any organization is having their strategy, which they know very well what they want to get, what they want to achieve in future, then automatically they will work towards that goal, and it will help the organization to achieve that goal easily. Improves communication at various organization level. When the company will be having the specific strategy, the top level management, they can direct easily to the medium level and lower level, and medium level, lower level, they will be having the clear direction what they want to do and what to not. So when they will be having the clear direction, it will help among them to improve the communication, and they can work together by coordinating with each other. What are the various levels of strategy we are having? Mainly we are having corporate level strategy, business level, and functional level. Corporate level strategy mainly decided at the top level management, and top level management, they will decide in this corporate level strategy, they will decide how they can expand their business by investing in various companies, or how they can do the merger and acquisition of different types of companies. This type of strategy mainly applicable for the big organization like ITC, Samsung, and Tata. Next, we are having the business level strategy. Business level strategy mainly working with mainly helping the organization how to increase their market share in the industry. So it will help the organization to get advantage in the competitive way, and it is also known as a competitive strategy. Functional strategy can be seen in the department wise. Each and every department like HR, IT cell, and marketing department, they are having their functional strategy, and according to that only they are working. And if they are having the clear functional strategy, it will help each department to improve their performance of the employees. Next, I'm going to explain about strategic decision making. Strategic decision making means it is a way which will direct the organization how to achieve the goals and objectives. To achieve some goals and objectives, each and every organization should take some decision. So this type of decision known as a strategic decision making. Strategic decision making. So what are the example of that? Example means, suppose Tata wants to expand their business in the four-wheeler market. So what they can do, if they want to expand their business, they can just purchase another company of the four-wheeler, like the Tata has purchased the Land Rover and Jaguar. So that is that kind of a decision known as a strategic decision making, and it helps the Tata to increase the market share in India in terms of Jaguar and Land Rover. So what are the importance or advantages of strategic decision making? Strategic decision, it gives a competitive advantage, because when the different types of strategic decision we are making, or company organization is making, it will help the organization to survive in the market and to increase the market share in the market. Strategic decision assist in pursuing the knowledge and skill that are necessary for the company's future. Strategic decision also help in solving different types of problem which requires time and resources. The implementation of strategic decision is very much vital to improve the performance of any company, because it is a method of realizing the goals of companies in the future. Strategic management plays a critical role in the management of a company. If strategic decisions are correct, the company will achieve their specific goal easily, and if it is not correct, it will be very difficult for a company to achieve their goals smoothly. So we will stop our session here. Thank you so much.